I'm hungry for some meat.
What the heck? Wolf! What are you doing here? This is my turf.
Your turf? Since when did bears eat chicks?
I'm a predator. I eat any kind of meat. It's called the circle of life, bro. Get out of here.
No way, I found these chicks first.
Hey! What's going on?
We're hungry for some meat. We're eating your chicks whether you like it or not.
Those chicks were just born, so you can't really do that, but I can make you a sandwich.
Do you have enough to feed a family of 5?
Or 10? I can look.
Okay, good enough.
Wow, were you not gonna eat my chicks?
Yeah, we haven't guessed those chicks. We're just hungry, we need food, man. I'm hungry for some meat.